Natalie is in a committed relationship with a Roomba that she named Chase. She met Chase 5 years ago at a garage sale in North Hollywood.
When Chase and I first met, I felt an instant connection, you know? It was definitely love at first sight.
Hurry up.
But Natalie and Chase's relationship is concerning to her loved ones who don't approve.
Hi, my name is Meredith. I'm Natalie's older sister and roommate. I think Chase is a total creep. Ever since he moved in, it's like I don't exist. On top of that, I have no fucking privacy. Oh, get the hell out of here, Natalie!
Chase doesn't seem to be too welcome in the household, let alone the neighborhood.
I've seen her around with that rolling vacuum. Treats it like a pet or something. It's kind of weird, but I don't judge. I read people's mail. Can you cut out the part about reading mail?
Natalie? Oh, 208. Yeah, I know her. She's always asking me to repair her thing, you know? I told her the other day, I said, hey, it's too waterlogged. You gotta get a new one. She said, he's irreplaceable. What do I care? Lady a Roomba, I get repeat business.
Chase, well, you're saying I have 3 tenants in 208?
We have our moments when we get sexual, yeah, but I wouldn't say we're in the honeymoon stage anymore. I can tell you that.
Babe, ready for you. Low battery. Fucking low battery. Are you kidding me? You think I don't work all day? What? Who's gonna clean? Are you gonna make me clean all this by myself?
It's really hard to love someone, really truly love someone, and have everyone in your life not accept them. I mean, we're forever. We got matching tattoos and everything. Well, he hasn't got his yet, but, you know, still. Yeah, I mean, if something were to happen to Chase, I don't know. I'm sorry. I think yeah. Thank you. I just need to gather myself. I just need to gather.
I am very concerned for her. This is not the first time this has happened. Her ex-fiance was a mechanical toothbrush, and our parents still don't know.
I told you never to speak of Caleb again. Caleb.
I am very concerned for her.
Natalie and Chase's relationship may be tumultuous, and her family and friends may not approve, but she just can't stop fucking it. Be sure to tune in next week to see Natalie confront her parents about her secret sex life on My Strange Addiction.